In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move Roblox to another drive. So first you want to find your Roblox icon. If you can't find it, you want to open up your computer search and search for Roblox, and we need the Roblox player. But I already have it on my desktop, so I'm going to use this version. We want to right click on it and select properties. So from here you will see a bunch of properties and options, but the option that we need to select is this one, open file location. So from here you will see all of the versions of Roblox that you have and all of the information. So what we need to focus on is this taskbar right here. So we want to click on the local folder. So if you want to do this step by step, here's what you do. First you have to select versions, then you have to select Roblox, and then we have to go one folder back all the way to local. So here is the official and original folder for Roblox. So here's what we have to do. We have to right click on it and select cut. So this will delete the folder. However, we're going to paste it in another place. So we can exit out of everything and just open up our computer or PC. So for me, Roblox was in my C drive, but I want to move it to my D drive. So I'm going to click on my D drive, and then I'm going to right click on an empty spot, and right here I can select paste. So as you can see, this is copying the entire Roblox folder from my C drive to my D drive, and then this is the way of changing hard drives for your Roblox game. So I'm going to come back in a second when it's done transferring. So the process finished, and as you can see right here, I have Roblox in my D drive now, and it's no longer in my C drive. So I hope this works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.